Hello everyone, welcome. In this lesson, I'm going to show you the concept of drill down. So after we've seen the concept of drill down, then we'll now see how drill through works in Power BI. So drill down is that. So you have a higher hierarchy and a lower hierarchy. So let's say, for example, these are metrics here. We have the car loan as the product category, and we also have a subproduct category, right? So when we drill down, like on this plus sign here, so we see all the subproduct under car loan. So this is how drill down works. It shows you the sub hierarchy under the main hierarchy. So you can have this up to 3 or 4 hierarchies. Yeah, so let me say, for example, I add what detail can I add that will be under product? That'll be product code. I think product code. Okay, let me click on this metrics table. Okay, for this, I think each product only has one product code. Yeah, so you won't be able, if this would have had so many product codes, you will see that many product codes under. So that is the concept of drill down. So drill down to see more details, right? So you can also drill down exploring all these buttons up here. Click up here, we bring you to the highest hierarchy. Click down here, just activate you can activate your drill through here and begin to click down. So this will take you to the next level entirely. So without even considering a level above, it just takes you straight to the next level. So come up here. So if we want to see everything by the first level and the second level, we can expand. You can say expand down to one level of hierarchy. So we expand down, so it will show us everything. So we'll go up. So in order not to make this lesson too long, I think we should just do another video to show drill through. Let's just stop here for now. See you in the next lesson.